All right, this video is about everybody's favorite part of math. We all love fractions, right? So you've been dealing with exponents, and now all of a sudden the teacher's throwing fractional exponents at you, and you need to know how to simplify them down. That's what this video is all about. Let me show you how to do this. So right now we have 16 to the power of 5/4. One thing you need to understand is that your numerator, denominator, the denominator of the fraction becomes the root. So all I like to do is just rewrite this down here. We're now dealing with the fourth root of 16. And then that 5, the number on top of the fraction, that can just go right out here on the outside. So that's how you're going to set these up. Step 1, take the denominator, put it as the root. The numerator goes outside of the radical, and we'll deal with it at the end. So right now, the fourth root of 16, what number to the power of 4? What number to the power of 4 equals 16? That number would have to be a 2. So, fourth root of 16 is 2. Can't forget the 5. So the final answer here is 2 to the 5th power, which would then turn into 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is final answer of 32. If you need to write it out the long way, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 times makes 32. Let's go on to the second one. The denominator becomes the root, so now we're talking about a cube root of 27. The 2, which is the numerator, goes on the outside of the radical. Cube root of 27, what number times itself 3 times makes 27? You should already know that if you're at this level of math. Cube root of 27 is 3. The 2 gets brought down. 3 squared is, be careful, sometimes I have some of my students say 6. No, it's not 3 times 2, it's 3 times 3. 9 is your final answer here. And then we move to this last one where we have to do the power over power rule first. So we have to know our laws of exponents. When you have an exponent over an exponent, that means multiplication. So we need to multiply the 4 times the 1/5, giving me 32 to the 4/5 power. This is my numerator, my denominator. Denominator becomes the root. So this is 5th root of 32 with a 4 on the outside. The 5th root of 32 means what number times itself 5 times makes 32. That's a 2. 2 to the 4th power comes out as 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 would make a 16 for a final answer. And that is how we simplify fractional exponents. Basically what it comes down to is the bottom number of the fraction goes there. Okay? Once you take the root of that value, bring it down, and the outside exponent gets brought along for the ride. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.